Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome to Maths Mind Coaching Hub. So today we will study about integers basic concept for class 7 exercise 1A. So let's start with natural number. So giving the basic idea of natural number, you must be aware, you must have studied natural numbers are nothing but counting numbers which start from 1, 2, 3, 4 and to infinite, right? So counting numbers are infinite and natural numbers are those numbers starting from 1. So natural numbers are the positive numbers starting from 1. So moving to whole number. So whole number is also natural numbers but it starts with 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So difference between natural numbers and whole number is that natural number starts with 1 whereas whole number starts with 0. One more thing to add is that 0 is neither positive nor negative. Okay. So 0 is a number which is neither positive nor negative. Now, why I was discussing natural numbers and whole numbers? Because we are studying integers and integers are counting numbers consisting of both positive and negative numbers including 0, which means that integers will have 0 plus positive numbers, okay, and it will also have negative numbers, okay. So integers will have natural numbers, it will have 0 and it will have negative numbers, okay, negative numbers as well. So here if you see when numbers starting with 0 is whole number. So here if you go this side, right hand side from 0 it is whole number, this is natural number and these are negative numbers minus 1. So integers includes natural numbers, whole number and negative number. This makes sense, right? So moving next, let's see how we add integers. Now as we discussed, integers are positive and negative numbers including 0. So let's see how we will add integers. Let's see here 36 plus 27. This you have done lots of time adding. So 6 plus 7, it gives you 13, 3 carry 1 and it gives you 6. So 63. Here there is no issue because both are positive and you are giving the sign of positive here. So we don't show positive numbers. So 63 is your answer for this addition. Moving next to another questions. Let's see how. So now if you see there are two integers, both are negative, okay? So one is minus 31, okay? And another is minus 25. Now here, as I said earlier, so these are both are negative numbers, right? And how do we add them? So when we add them, assume you have got you are doing some nuisance in your class. So your class teacher gave -2 in your test. Now again, principal has come and she also gave you -2. So what you will have now, it would be -4. So why I'm saying that when there are both these signs are negative, so ideally what we are doing, we are adding and putting the sign of negative. So when your class teacher giving -2 and again principal giving -2, so you would have -4 point. So the same here goes with integers. So if both are negative, you have to add and then you have to put the sign of negative. Does this make sense? Right? So you can practice this question. Now move to another question. Let's see, -47 plus 18. Okay. So now here it is positive and negative. So one is -47 and another is 18. Okay. So see here you have see which one is largest. Minus 47 is the largest and 18 is the smallest. So what we need to do when there are sign is plus and minus, when one is minus and another is plus, what we have to do, we have to subtract and the from the biggest to smallest, and the sign would be of the biggest number. So here minus 47 is the biggest. We'll put minus 47 and 18 is there. So what we have to do, we'll subtract because one is positive, one is negative. So 7 minus 8. Okay. Okay. Sorry for the disturbance. So let's come back to the question which we were doing. So minus 47 plus 18. So you see, right? Because what we have to do, as I said, we will subtract 7 is 7 and 8. So it will take borrow 1. So it becomes 17. 17 minus 8 would be 9. And then you have 3 here. 3 minus 1 is 2. So and now as I said, the sign of the bigger number will come. So what is your answer? Minus 29. Okay, move to the next question. You have minus 29 and 52. Okay, minus 29. Again you see both one is positive and one is negative, and then uh, in this case you have to subtract, and so bigger put the on top, and then 29 is down, subtract, and here you have 12 minus 9 is 3, and then 4 minus 2 is 2. So but what sign you have to give in integers? The bigger one. So it is positive to leave as is. So 23 is your answer. Okay. Now we have done some of the questions related to addition. Now let's talk about subtraction. How do we subtract in integers? Okay. So here subtract 9, both are integers, right? 9 and 4. So subtract 9 from 4. So you have to do 9 from 4. So 4 minus 9, it will become minus 5. Why minus 5? Because 9 is bigger, it has negative sign, and that's why once you subtract 9 and 4, it gives you 5. But sign you have to pick off the bigger number, right? So minus 9 is bigger, that's why sign is minus 5. Let's do another, which is, sorry, 1 second. Okay. Okay, here we are. Minus 8 from 5. From 5, which means 5 minus 8. So since we have to subtract, that's why I have put minus, and then what you need to do, since the number is minus, it put in bracket. So now you might have studied, see, minus and this is bracket, which means the minus into minus we have to look, because this is nothing but this is multiplication here. So minus into minus you might have studied earlier, it will makes plus. The sign, if there is minus into minus, it makes plus. So what you have to do, 5 minus into minus, which becomes 5 plus, sign will change, 5 plus 8, this gives you answer, it is 13, right? Very good. Now I hope you are getting, I am explaining in easiest method so that everyone can get what the basic concepts are. So these are the basic concepts itself, right? So now subtract 7 from minus 6. So what we need to do, minus 6, subtract 7 from minus 6. So minus, subtract minus, that's why I'm putting minus, and then 7, write the number 7. Now both the signs are negative, so we have to add both of them as I discussed earlier. So it becomes 13 minus 13. You have to give the sign of negative, minus 13. Okay, let's move to next question. 1 second. Now this next integer subtraction is minus 9 from minus 5. So minus 5, and then you have to subtract, give this minus sign. What? Minus 9. You have to put in bracket. Again, as I said earlier, first minus 5 will come as is, minus into minus, it will become plus, and then it is 9. So minus 5 plus 9, 9 having the having 9 is the bigger number, that's why sign would be 5. You have to subtract, plus minus you have to subtract, so 4, and sign would be of plus, which is bigger number, so 9. 4 is the answer, positive number. Okay, let's see. Okay, write a pair of integers whose sum is minus 8. Okay, I think this will continue in the next session. Let's stop here so that you grab something basic, and then we will start with the next session in this, the part 2. Okay, basic concepts. Fine. Thank you very much for listening. Enjoy, subscribe so that I get motivated, and I'll bring more videos like this. Thank you very much. And subscribe Maths Mind Coaching Hub. Thank you.